Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export bibliography and citation from Zotero. So to do that, you go to the file that you want to export as a citation or bibliography, and then select it from there. Right click on that file and then create bibliography, and from there you can choose whatever the format that you like. You can also manage the style by clicking here, and you can choose format that you want. If you want RTF, HTML, copy to clipboard, or you can choose print. And of course here as output mode you can choose citation or bibliography, hit OK, and then you simply can paste it here. That's one way. So the other way is that drag and drop it here. But as you can see, it's now in a different format. So I personally recommend that you right click on that and go to create bibliography, and from there choose whatever the format and style that you want, and because that's how you get more flexibility and create more customized bibliography, which I think is important. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial will help you.